Hey, what's up? It's Crazy Joe, and this is my 2008 Eastern Ace of Spades. If you've seen the last bike check, you can tell that something obviously changed. I got the Eastern Growler, and I put all the red parts on there. But I still got this one. Got 8-inch Eastern nitrous bars. Demolition grips, Shadow Conspiracy, bar ends, Diacomp Tech 77 lever, Eastern Decepticon stem, Eastern nitrous forks, cane crank headset, Duo Rogue status seat, Steve Hamilton sealed, purple pedals. God damn it, they're not sealed. Eastern Stealth cranks, King Sound 28 tooth sprocket, Sun Rhino light rim in the back. That's what it looks like, an Odyssey hub or something. Sun Rhino light rim in the front with a bulletproof BMX hub in the front. Maxxis Holy Roller tire in the front, it's like brand new. Maxxis hook run tire in the back. Just a regular poverty pivotal seat post right there. Tektro brakes. I think that's about it.